I'm Neve. I was recently on a show called Black Cake that finished production middle of February, and I was in the production office as a production trainee. So it was really interesting learning all about the admin. I was kind of in control of stunt contracts, so doing stunt forecasts and stuff like that, so they kind of left that as my responsibility, so that was probably the highlight for me. But it was quite challenging because it was a massive production compared to a previous one that I was on, which was 4 Stories, which was a much smaller production, so it was quite nice to see how a bigger production works.
I'm Jordan. I've been on a placement for 6 months with a company called Avanti, and I've been down as a camera assistant. I enjoyed meeting all sorts of different type of people. I enjoyed Canny Gymru. I also enjoy doing Luke Evans showtime as well.
I'm Kaitlin. So I've done 2 placements while at School Cymru. And I've been at Wild Flame doing post-production and Avanti doing just like a mix of things. I've done quite a lot of edit assisting and just seeing, you know, what I want to do was quite cool. And also in Avanti I had the chance to go on shoots and like do that side of things rather than just post, which I found like amazing because I didn't think I would enjoy that.
I'm actually going on to a production called The Way. It's Michael Sheen's production. He's directing and starring in it, and it's based in Port Talbot.
Hopefully after my apprenticeship is over, I would like to be either an in-house camera, a junior camera operator, or maybe editor assistant.
So my next placement, I'm going to be based in Gorilla on Lost Boys and Fairies. So I'm going more down the route of post-production again as an edit trainee. But I can't wait because that's still like my favourite thing.